Welcome back to my channel where we dream and we hope our dreams come true. And we also talk about issues that affect the Black American community. Okay, guys, when your emotions have not been dealt with, okay, whatever environment caused you to have those emotions, right, will basically make you feel like you still living you still like experiencing that same environment. You understand what I'm saying? So like, if a particular environment caused you to have some type of emotions, or you went through some type of traumatizing event, and you haven't dealt with that, all right, though you haven't like done anything to heal from those emotions that were developed, all right, those emotions that that reside inside of you make you feel like you are still part of that environment that created those emotions. So what happens is, you still have these emotions inside of you that you haven't dealt with, all right? And you start becoming to get sick. You start getting sick because it started messing you up. Your body and everything start getting, just damaged from the emotions. So it's very important that people understand that when you have emotions that have not been taken care of or treated, right, it causes you to feel like you are still in an environment that created those emotions. And that's exactly what's going on right now in my community. That's why people talk about the things that they talk about all the time in regards to racism in the past, because we still have a whole lot of emotions that stems from the past that we haven't dealt with, and we still feel like we're part of the past. And everybody wants us to just pretend to act like we don't, but I don't know how to do that, because I still get looked at the same way, that y'all look at us. Y'all know what I'm talking about. People know what I'm talking about. Black people know what I'm talking about. We still get those looks, and we still the underdogs, and it's still messed up, and it all stems from the past, post-Jim Crow and all that stuff. And like I said, the immigrants that's coming over here taking advantage of the inferiority complexes and taking advantage of the sleeping black man, that's not right. That's not fair at all. You should try to, they actually taking advantage of the sleeping black man, all right? The man that's depressed, the man that has emotions that he has not dealt with, and the man that has never had a chance to actually deal with his emotions or his family from all of the things that they went through in America. And all of the people just keep migrating and migrating and migrating to America because they know that we just spend, and they look at us like we're a dollar sign because we don't have no motivation to do anything for real, because we haven't really dealt with the issues that affected our emotions from the past as a community, as a whole. And that's why African people come to America and they look down on us and they make comments about how they come from poverty, but they come here and they turn their life around and come up, right? So now you have all these immigrants going into the psychology field so that they can treat African Americans that's dealing with mental disorders that stem from the issues that they dealt with in life, family problems and all that stuff. So you can see the difference, and you can see that there's no relation between us and other people that come to this country, because that's proof right there, proof in the pudding. So we need to learn emotional intelligence as a group. All right, it's very important, because like I said, when you have not dealt with your emotions, all right, and your emotions still affect you, those emotions cause you to feel like you are in the environment that developed those emotions. So it's very important, all right? I love y'all. I want to see everybody treated equally. I want to see people get on their feet. Peace. Have a good one, y'all.